Hello there, welcome to my channel Ullas Tech Solution. Today we will learn how to use your own photos as a slide background in MS Word. First we need to go to the Insert option. Then go to the Shapes option. Here you can get many of them shapes. You can choose any of them. Now using these shapes you cover up your text area. After that go to the shape fill option. Go to the picture option. Now choose your picture. Now insert your picture using double click on your mouse. After that in this slide anywhere right click on your mouse. Then go to the format auto shape option. Now click on color and line option. After that using the transparency option you can fade out the photograph as per you need. You have to do this on your computer. That's all this video. Keep learning. Have a nice day.